So a calorimeter can be used to measure the amount of thermal energy transferred when bonds are broken or formed. A calorimeter will consist of a container with a cover. And so here, let me actually click on the experiment. Okay, so we have a container here with a cover. Okay, this is the cover. A thermometer right here. Okay, so that's our thermometer. And the ideal calorimeter must prevent the transfer of thermal energy between the calorimeter's container and its environment. So the idea here is that this is all insulated really well so that no energy gets out. Okay, so this allows us to have a closed system within a laboratory. So to begin the experiment, click the experiment tab and run experiment, which is what we've done. Now, I will tell you, if you are not reading very carefully what these instructions are, you're going to have problems, okay? Reading is very, very important here. So beneath the beaker in the hot plate, click on the solids tab and select calcium chloride. Okay, so click on solids and calcium chloride, just right here. So we have calcium chloride, adjust the mass to 20. So we can adjust the mass to 20. Click next button in the left frame near the bottom of the screen. So that's right here. Click next. That allows me to now manipulate this area here. So now on the liquids tab underneath the calorimeter, add 200 grams of water. So this is the calorimeter right here. We want to add water and we want to add 200 grams. So you should see on the actual calorimeter, 200 grams of water is 200 mils. 1 mil of water weighs 1 gram of water, which is just kind of good information to know. And then we click Run Experiment. Oops, I didn't click Next. See, this is what happens when we don't read. Okay, so in the Run Experiment, oh, it doesn't say that, but we have to click Next again. And then we can click Start. And it says nothing about doing the graph, so start. And this is going to take a little bit of time. So we saw the solid dissolve, and now we're seeing the temperature change, okay? And we just kind of be patient. We'll automatically stop when there is either a maximum or minimum temperature reached. So the nice thing about this is that we have very, very, very specific data, okay? So this is our final temperature. Okay, so we can see we started off with a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius, and we ended up with a temperature of 35.92 degrees Celsius.